Hey folks, hope all is well. Welcome back to the channel. I've got a video here about some items that I like to carry as kind of some spare bits and pieces within my kit. This isn't like a per se all you need survival kit. I'd want a whole bunch more stuff than this, and 9 times out of 10 we would have more stuff than this, considering the stuff that you EDC, or the stuff that's in your pockets and the stuff that's in your pack. These items in here would just be some good spare ones to have just in case. And I'd appreciate, if you like what you see, subscribe. I don't know what the notification bell would do any good, because I ain't trying to blow everybody's stuff up, but if you like it, hey, it's cool. I got a lot of stuff that I have to go back over. I lost from the IGTV a few hundred videos, but time is hard to have a surplus of nowadays. But anyway, so what I have in this particular one, I don't like swapping stuff back and forth from kits. So this is the only one I have in this pouch. This is a Tuff possum gear belt pouch. It's made to go on a belt, but it just so happens to fit this bag perfectly. And in all of my other bags, it's just duplicates of this, is all it is. They're just in this bag. That's how it lives in my other kits. It just fits this thing perfect. So put it in there. But it's pretty straightforward stuff. A lighter with a ranger band and some waxed hemp cordage and some duct tape. It is a poncho. This clear one is a poncho. I'm not going to get it out just because it's hard to get back in there. There's some fire tinder plugs here. Some Technora line. It's really strong stuff. If you want to learn more about it, do the Google foo on Technora. It's pretty cool. A water purification bag with some tabs and a couple ranger bands. A fishing kit. It's pre-rigged. Another ranger band. A really small ferry rod. A small emergency blanket, a Mylar blanket, and a handful of chem lights. And that's basically it in all of my kits. And I'll keep the paper in there too, because I can burn that stuff. But it's not, like I said, it's not a, oh man, I need to rely on this, because chances of being separated from all of your gear are pretty slim, I think, anyway, unless somebody's taking it from you. In that case, you got bigger problems to worry about than catching a fish if you're hungry. But these items definitely could serve you in a pinch. They don't take up a ton of room. And I didn't weigh this. I know some people are going to want to know what it weighs. I don't worry much about weight on my stuff. I tend to carry tools a lot of times when I'm making stuff outside. So all this is just packed right back down in there. This wouldn't be something that I would get out all the time. It would just kind of be lying wait in case you ever needed it. just lives back down in here. But between the stuff, there's another video on my channel about the stuff that I EDC. So you figure I'm going to have a flashlight, a Swiss Army Knife Farmer X, a ferro rod, a high carbon steel striker. It's a flat multi-tool. I got a Leatherman rebar, a lighter. Then I got some just junk stuff in my other pocket. But I'll have, I'll have a belt knife too, and 90% of the time a neck knife. So I have so much stuff. Not necessarily because if I need it, I have it, but if I want to use it, I have it. I like to do a lot of skills practice, so that's my thing. I like to do stuff, and if I have my stuff, the more stuff I can do. But this is a pretty sweet kit. Tuff Possum Gear makes some awesome, super awesome stuff. I've used a ton of their gear over the years, just like the pouch that I had my flint and steel kit in is also Tuff Possum. Pretty sweet, super bright. The camera's not doing it very much justice. The orange is legit. But anyway, that's a few items that I keep in the majority of my packs, just in case. All right, guys, enjoy it. Have a good weekend. Again, feel free to subscribe if you wanna. Any questions about anything, throw them down in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. All right, later.